Namaste, aloha, dissolving our personalities. So dissolving our personalities is important in the spiritual journey or in the growth journey of expanding who you are, because the personality is limited. The personality defines you and puts you into a box. And it's a box that we create ourselves so that we have boundaries. Boundaries can be important, but not when it comes to our personality. A flexible personality is going to enjoy far more in life than the person that's closed off by their boxes, by their intellectual boxes, their social boxes, their health boxes, their spiritual boxes. So, taking a deep dive into this, let's go. Just as a flexible body feels better and is healthier than a stiff body, so too our energetic selves. And why is this? What it comes down to is how much we think of ourselves. Because the more identities that we have to build up in order to protect who we are and say, this is me, the more insecure that we feel inside. Otherwise, we wouldn't have to have so much security. So the more we can let go of these identities, these personalities, these unconscious behaviors that have become largely who we act as, the more we free ourselves up to possibilities, to relationships, to new experiences, to spiritual awakenings, to intellectual activities, because we're becoming limitless by not limiting ourselves. And the first step is to name them. Name the parts of yourself that you love, that you don't like so much, and the ones that you secretly despise, and write them down. And I want you to go into where they came from. Feel this. Become that, the root of where it started. And then we ask ourselves over time, in the car, while you're eating, doing the dishes, whatever that is, taking a walk, working out, you can be thinking, why was this so important to me? And at some point, your mind and your spirit are going to connect. And then your spirit's going to be telling your mind that you're safe. And your mind is going to be able to let go. But we have to have the courage to have the conversation. We have to have the courage to get naked in front of the world. Your energy can't be felt as long as you think that you are this. We are not our thoughts. We are not our minds. We're not our bodies. So what are we? We're certainly not our personalities. What if you quit, you absolved, you let go of who you have to be in order to define yourself? The fear of floating away is real, but it's not becoming nothing. It's becoming powerful beyond measure. If you don't have to be strong all the time, if you don't have to be right all the time, when you see someone walking around with complete peace, think of someone that you just know is really cool to be around or to watch, because they just have this serenity that cannot be disturbed. That's because they don't think that much of themselves, because they've dissolved these personalities. And therefore, they just are. This is a process. Be patient. Be loving. Always loving. And always patient with yourself. Namaste.